Hi friends, welcome to Technical Jobs Guru. In this video, we are going to see a job opportunity from the Senior Officer Plant Maintenance Engineer in Asian Paints Private Limited. So here, the Asian Paints Private Limited is recruiting job for the experienced engineer as 2 to 5 years of experience is mentioned in this here. So the branches are eligible for this job is BE BTech Mechanical. So if you're from this background, so please do watch the video till the end, and for further notifications and jobs, so please do subscribe to the channel and like the video. So here you find that the 4.3 rating from this company, already 2494 members are applied for this job, so posted before 5 days of ago. So if you are eligible for this company, so if you please start applying for the job, because this is the best company. You will find the good culture here. So you will be recruited as a mechanical maintenance engineer. So the job description as also mentioned, and the job profile, what is the role that you are going to do here. So the long description as mentioned here. So I will tell you some of the points, what are the major points there we have to choose here. So here they mentioned that the point number one is that prioritizing the jobs and to be done in a general shift and allotting the work to the operation in the plant and engineering department. So you have to prioritize the jobs. If you are given 10 jobs to do in one day, so you have to prioritize this, which job I have to complete in the first. So you have to know the jobs details, so you can easily prioritize this. So if you when you are going in this job, you will find all the opportunities, and you will be known all the things that how to prioritize over anything, and guiding and supporting the technicians and officer level engineer to do day-to-day technical issues. If you find any day-to-day technical issues, you have to give the solution for that and you have to support your technicians and the higher level officers, are your under level officer, everyone. So arranging the space required during the shift. So if you're working in any shift, so in this case, if you find any equipment is breakdown, so you have to arrange the equipment and space for them to the make the pump or anything to be ready for in this shift only. And making daily visits of the monitoring section of the observing the performance of the machine. So if you most of the machines are there in company, so you have to ensuring that you have to visit the plant for the daily basis, and you have to make sure this this machine is working in good condition. Otherwise you have to take PM jobs or anything you have to prioritize all these things. And meeting personnel, here mentioned that the meeting personnel users departments and discuss the prepare appropriate action plan for the problems. So if you have any problem in the company, or if you have any problem in your unit, so you have to meet your professionals for the job action and take a appropriate plan for that. And you have to conducting the inspection of the engineering store inwards material, then maintaining the inventory, all these things. You have to ensure that the plan should be run smoothly in your shift. So you should know all these things. So in overview and detail, we will see that finally you will find that you should be recruited as a maintenance engineer. So they mentioned that you have to take you should be know line break procedures. You should know logout tagout. Already I mentioned the lotto procedures. They here mentioned that the lotto procedures during the equipment maintenance. It means lotto means logout tagout. In case if you are going to take any machine or maintenance, in that case you have to take logout tagout. Means from electrical department we have to take this to machine maintenance. So all these things we should know. So this is the job they mentioned as most of the points. You can read these all these points in, and you will be know what is the job role here. So in normally you in brief, it is the maintenance engineer, so you should be a maintenance engineer there. The location is here in the Chennai. The job location is Chennai. Then the Perumbudur is the job location here. And this is the job description, friends. And job candidate profile, required profile is also mentioned here, same only. So you should be as a maintenance engineer there. And the job qualification is the BE BTech Mechanical. The age limit is 26 years and below. Job role is the technical lead or project lead. And then FMCG industry area is the engineering design and R&D. So employment type is a full-time and a permanent job. Category is the engineering design. So education, coming to educational background. So if you are from the BE BTech in mechanical engineering only, or any postgraduate they mention, or doctorate not required for this job. Those skills should be, you should be a mechanical and breakdown troubleshooting and maintenance engineer. So these are the skills they are mentioned here. So this is a good opportunity for most of us. So if you are interested in this job, so please do apply for this job. For applying, you have to register for this job. So apply to register. Then if you are, you should be a professional in this way, because they mentioned 2 to 5 years of experience. So apply for the professional, and then they will ask the details, that email id, everything. So you have to fill all the details, and then they are asking the upload resume. After that you will log in, and then you have to give our details, and then we will receive a email id for email for our interview and for the process. So this is the video, friends. So if you're eligible for this job, please do apply for this job and get opportunity. So this is the video. If you like this video content, please do subscribe to the channel and like the video. Okay friends, thank you everyone.